The first thing we really did was sit down with everybody, and it was sort of a collaborative process over about 6 to 8 weeks, but figure out what the best way to break up the job was. So no one really knew what the infrastructure requirements were going to be up front because Motorola was still defining all their requirements for the labs. So we really did some hardcore feasibility studies up front.
They asked us in the RFP to break it down into phases, and maybe the 19th floor first and the 18th floor next. But when the team was sitting down trying to figure this out, we said, you know what, it's not the way that this project really wants to be. We thought that the best way to develop the way we set up our project team was by discipline.
Well, collaboration was huge and critical for the success of the project.
There's a ton of equipment on this project, and they all have different connections. We had to upgrade electrical, we had to upgrade mechanical, we had to put our own independent systems.
The complexity, it's hard to describe. So each lab has a unique need with the wide range, and every lab has its own lab manager.
Well, a lot of the custom concepts here around the labs, which were the most challenging and complex part of the job, only happened because we were able to break each individual component down and build a custom solution around whatever it was.
We would go out to Libertyville to meet with the lab managers and help kind of extract all that information that's up in these guys' minds and put it onto paper. It helped with having Skender Construction being present because we could speak from a construction mindset and make sure that everything that was being conveyed and put on paper was constructible and buildable and was going to work in the end result.
With such an accelerated schedule and, again, such a dense mechanical design, BIM was the most efficient way for us to take this complex design, these complex systems, find all the conflicts at once, resolve them together, and then come to the final product that we were able to build in such a short period of time.